Top 10 exclusive yacht parties. You must see 10. The Quayside party in Monaco, $2,000 per person. 9. Ibiza yacht party, $1,500 per person. 8. Cannes Film Festival yacht party, $3,000 per person. 7. Miami yacht show party, $1,800 per person. 6. Dubai International boat show party, $2,200 per person. 5. Sydney New Year's Eve yacht party, $2,500 per person. 4. St. Barts New Year's Eve party, $3,500 per person. 3. Monaco Grand Prix yacht party, $4,000 per person. 2. Greek island hopping yacht party, $2,800 per person. 1. Mykonos yacht party, $2,600 per person.